Hi, my name is Linda Beard. I'm an analyst at the Carbon Trust, a global climate consultancy. In the session Carbon Accounting for Biopolymers and Sustainable Packaging, you'll gain practical guidance on how to build credible, decision-useful carbon data for bio-based and circular packaging. You'll learn how to develop robust product carbon footprints that reflect the realities of biopolymers, how to tackle Scope 3 emissions, touching upon data collection, hotspots, and supply engagement. We want to understand what CSRD readiness really requires, and also how to use third-party verifications to strengthen sustainability claims and build trust. If you are working with bio-based or sustainable packaging materials and want to turn carbon accounting into a strategic advantage, it would be a really great session for you to join. See you there.